So we can see in this question here that the first part asks you to have a crack at solving it algebraically, but we can only find the inverse tan of an exact value that we already are aware of, like root 3 or negative root 3 on 3 or something like that. 1.5 is one that we don't have an angle for on our chart of exact values, and so we would need to do something else to solve it. Having said that, in this question, we're focusing on part B, where it says use your calculator to find the points of intersection, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places, and here they are here without much explanation. So in terms of how to solve it, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our graphics display calculator. We are going to add a graph page, like so, and the two functions are y equals 3 cos 4x. So I'm just going to pop that straight in, 3 cos of 4x, and just as an extra added bonus, I could just leave it at that, but just as an extra added bonus, it says between 0 and pi. You don't have to do this bit, you can just do it by eye, but I'll do it. You can use your such that and then put in your domain like here. So control equals again, less than or equal to x, and then control equals less than or equal to pi. Okay, so that'll graph the first one between 0 and pi. I might even just copy that. I think I can copy and paste it from memory. So I put my first one in, press enter. There it is there. I can also go Control G and add my second graph in. And that's y equals 2 sine of 4x. So with the same, put it in again, such that 0, sorry, we got a bit too excited then, such that x is between 0 and 4 pi. 4 pi, so between 0 and pi. Like so, there's that graph there. And, oops, what did I do wrong? Yep, y equals 3 cos, 0 between 0 and pi, and y equals, oh, I stuffed up that, didn't I? Y equals 2 sine of 4x between 0 and 4 pi, so there's the red one there. And I'll just move that out of the way so we can sort of see them. And there's our graphs. Now, of course, the graphs are a bit squishy here, so personally, I would tend to zoom up a little bit so I can see that I'm going to go up to 3 here. So I'm just going to make it menu, window zoom, window settings. I'm just going to go from, say, what do we got? I'm going to go from minus 1.5 to, what's it, to pi, isn't it? So that's 3.1. So minus 1.5 to 4, just so I've got a bit of a scale up going on. I'll go from minus 4 to 4. That should give me a bit nicer graph, just so I can see it a little bit more clearly. And we can see there's going to be 1, 2, get that out of the way. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 points of intersection between 0 and 2 pi, so 0 and pi. So then I'm going to go to menu, analyze graph, and look at, where is it? Points of intersection, there, intersection. And then for each of these points here, now you can just go anywhere to the left and then scrape across, write it down, keep scraping across, and as you go to the next point of intersection, it will change. Or you can click on either side so that the value is there, and then repeat the process over the 4 times. Analyze graph, intersection, left of the point of intersection, right of the point of intersection, there it is, keep on going, analyze graph, intersection, left and right, and then one more, menu, analyze graph, point of intersection, oops, not inflection, that's a bit scary, menu, analyze graph, intersection, and either side here as well. So there we go. There's our four values which we write down, 0.246, 1.66, etc. And we should see those, fingers crossed, reflected here to two decimal places, 0.25, 1.66. There we go. Next one, 1.03 and negative 1.66. There it is there. And there's the other 2 points there, which are here as well. Hope that all makes sense. Yeah, that's all there is to it.